This package just arrived.
It was from YouTube.
Yeah! First off, huge shout out to you. Thank you for being a value creator in the YouTube Partner Program. Whether you've been with us from the start or you're new to the program, we know it takes a lot of hard work to make it on YouTube. It's an achievement so awesome, in fact, we think you deserve a reward. Welcome to YouTube Partner Perks.
Lights, camera,
glow.
YouTube, give me a free pizza.
Free sausage roll.
My LED light.
It's our way of giving a little love back to amazing partners like you who power this platform.
You guys are amazing.
We're talking exclusive merch and surprise rewards.
How cool is this?
And Partner Perks is our way of saying we see the work and we appreciate everything that you do.
They see what we're doing.
Your journey, creativity, and passion has made YouTube what it is today.
Thank you, YouTube.
Because when you create with heart, it shows.
That makes me ridiculously happy.
And it also pays off.
I will keep making videos.
So keep creating, keep experimenting, and keep being you. We can't wait to see what you do next.
Hello everyone! So yun, this is just a short video. Kasi nga, basta this is just a short video. Ipapakita ko lang yung regalo sa akin ni YouTube. Regalo? Hindi. So, YouTube turns 20 years. Kaya naman, sa random, what do you call that? Sa random na, content creator, ayan, maswerte na naman si Elsie at napili na naman siya para mabigyan ng regalo. So, for today's vlog, pupunta tayo sa Chipotle kasi ang regalo sa akin ni YouTube ay it's a $15 gift card na worth of food dito sa Chipotle. Actually, maraming when you go to shorts and then YouTube partnership or yung hashtag YouTube partnership or yung mga perks ganon, may mga iba't ibang klaseng regalo yon si YouTube na binigay sa mga random selected na content creator. Kagaya ko. So, yun. Andito ako sa parking lot ng Chipotle and ako ay o-order ng pagkain ko. Yeah. Na aking pagkain. So, yun. And, sit back and relax. Ipapakita ko ang aking order. Ayan. This is just, worth $15 na pagkain. Sayang din naman yun, di ba? And, ang nakakatawa pa niyan, that gift card expires today. So, sayang naman kung ma-expire yung gift card ko. So, might as well, gamitin ko na lang, di ba? Kaya yun. Okay, so last June 11, nakareceive ako kay YT ng email regarding Partner Perks. So, what is a YouTube Partner Program? So, ang sabi, designed daw to reward creators for creating amazing and valuable content. Like, yung mga ginagawa natin mga contents. So, ano daw ang makukuha natin sa YouTube Partner Program? So, pagka naging YouTube Partner Program daw, number 1 ay ang, syempre, we earn more. We make money, like everything na nasa AdSense, monetization, channel membership, and merchandises, or even affiliate sales. Meron ding mga support na need natin. Like, YouTube Partner Team is always there to support us, answer all our questions and inquiries, and we can even get a partner manager. Number 3, connect to your community. Like, you can get rewards like this kind. Mga freebies like etong Chipotle ko. So, marami pang iba ang maibibigay sa atin kapag naging YouTube partner ka. So, yun nga guys, since I'm one of a YouTube partner and as a perk of a YouTube partner, binigyan nila ako ng surprise gift. It's a Chipotle gift card worth $15 at mag-e-expire siya today. Diba? Kung kailan ang last day, doon ko pa talaga i-claim ang aking gift from YouTube. Thank you so much YouTube, at busog-lusog na naman si Elsie. Yun. Thank you so much YouTube. So ayun na nga, this is my perk as one of a YouTube partner program. It's a fresh treat from Chipotle. Medyo matagal-tagal na din akong di nakakakain dito sa Chipotle. And I think it's about time. Ayan, para kumain ulit ako sa Chipotle. So, tara, samahan niyo ako at i-enjoy ko ang treat sa akin ni YouTube. So, eto na nga yun. Fresh treat from Chipotle. It's a $15 gift card. And ang sabi dito, it's our way of saying thank you for being a great YouTube partner. So, today is July 16. At nakalagay dyan, ang end date ay July 16. So, might as well gamitin ko na to today, diba? Sayang naman yung $15 gift card ko from YouTube. Again, thank you YouTube! So, as a YouTube partner, nakaka-receive din ng mga invites. Pero, ang ginagawa nila, parang raffle draw. So, this one is a special edition YouTube Town Hall, which meron daw siyang 500 space available to participate sa Town Hall event on October 7, 2025. So, dito, pwede ka makipag-collaborate sa other content creators sa kanilang mga panel discussions. Ayan, sayang naman guys, 'di ba? Malay mo, mapabilang ako dyan sa kanilang town hall meeting ng YouTube partner. Pero, ayan, update lang. Hindi naman na tayo napili. But still, 'di ba, at least we tried. Hi, can I get a burrito bowl? To go.
What different rice?
No rice.
No rice? Any beans?
Yes, please. I'll go. What is this one?
That's sofritas. It's tofu.
Tofu. Can you put this in my burrito? Yeah, instead of the beans. Is there an extra charge?
Burrito, yeah. It's a protein.
Oh, it's okay. Okay, so I'll just go for this one, the bean. Yeah, that one. And
People use sofritas as a substitute for meat.
oh, okay, gotcha. And I'll go for barbacoa. It's chunky.
Alright, and then what's gonna
I'm sorry, what was that?
salsa?
Salsa. Which one is just mild? I don't like it.
Mild, this is medium, this is hot.
The mild.
Anything else for you?
Can we put corn? And then the sour cream, please.
Sour cream, anything else for you?
Cheese. Guacamole.
Want lettuce? Want this extra, okay?
Yeah.
Chips and grease for you?
Can I get chips, please? Just chips. Thank you. So, ayun guys, nakuha ko na ang aking order. Nakita niyo naman ang aking in-order sa Chipotle. It's a burrito bowl, ang aking in-order. And, ang aking receipt ay ito po. Ayan. So, Chipotle. Remember, $15 yung aking gift card. But, umorder pa kasi ko ng chips. So, nag-exceed yung order ko. Kaya, kinailangan ko pang magbayad ng $2 dahil lagpas $15 ng aking order. But, it's all good. Okay lang naman yun. Kaya, ayan ang aking resibo.
Next level. Next level.
Ayun, once again, thank you so much, YouTube partner. Of course, and yun, YouTube, and as a YouTube partner, ayan, nakakuha ako ng kanilang member perks. Thank you so much, YouTube. At i-enjoy ko ang aking burrito bowl. Ayan. Thank you. Bye-bye. Team LC, shouty! Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa aking mga vlogs. Ayun. Lakochera Cocinera is signing off. Thank you so much. Bye guys. Team LC. Bye-bye.